Imagine you're about to entrust your most sensitive business data to a digital platform. You'd want to know where it's going, right? Where is it being stored? Is it safe? Secure? These are questions that millions of businesses ask themselves every day. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most popular project management tools, Wrike. Where does Wrike store your data? Let's find out. Section 1. Wrike's Data Centers. Wrike, like many cloud-based services, relies on a network of data centers to store and process information. These data centers are geographically distributed around the world, ensuring redundancy and minimizing the risk of data loss due to natural disasters or other unforeseen events. But where exactly are these data centers located? While Wrike doesn't publicly disclose the exact locations of its data centers for security reasons, we can make some educated guesses based on the company's global presence and the typical locations of cloud infrastructure providers. It's highly likely that Wrike has data centers in major regions like North America, Europe, and Asia. Section 2. Data Residency and Compliance. Beyond the physical location of data centers, it's equally important to understand the concept of data residency. Data residency refers to the geographic location where data is stored and processed. For many businesses, especially those operating in highly regulated industries, data residency is a critical factor to consider. Wrike offers data residency options to meet the specific needs of its customers. This means that businesses can choose to have their data stored in a particular region, such as the European Union or the United States. By doing so, they can ensure compliance with local data privacy laws and regulations. Section 3. Data Encryption and Security. Data security is another crucial aspect of Wrike's data storage practices. Wrike employs robust encryption measures to protect your data both in transit and at rest. This means that your data is scrambled and unreadable to unauthorized individuals. Here's a breakdown of Wrike's security measures. Data encryption. Wrike uses advanced encryption algorithms to protect your data from unauthorized access. Access controls. Wrike implements granular access controls to ensure that only authorized individuals can access your data. Regular security audits. Wrike conducts regular security audits to identify and address potential vulnerabilities. Compliance with security standards. Wrike adheres to industry-standard security frameworks, such as ISO 27001 and SOC 2. Section 4. Wrike's commitment to data privacy. In addition to robust security measures, Wrike is committed to protecting your data privacy. Wrike has a clear data privacy policy that outlines how it collects, uses, and protects your personal information. The company also complies with various data privacy laws and regulations, including the General Data Protection Regulation, GDPR, and the California Consumer Privacy Act, CCPA. Section 5. Conclusion. So, where does Wrike store your data? While the exact locations of Wrike's data centers are not publicly disclosed, we know that the company has a global network of data centers to ensure redundancy and minimize the risk of data loss. Wrike also offers data residency options to meet the specific needs of its customers and employs robust security measures to protect your data from unauthorized access. With Wrike's commitment to data security and privacy, you can rest assured that your sensitive business data is in good hands. Whether you're a small startup or a large enterprise, Wrike provides a reliable and secure platform for managing your projects. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.